In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on Udemy. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening your browser and going to the Udemy website. Sign in with your existing Google account or whichever sign-in method you prefer. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that the URL shows Udemy so you avoid phishing sites. Once you're signed in, use the search bar to look for a course you want to buy. You can type a topic, instructor name, or a specific course title. When you see a course you like, click on it and wait for the course page to load. Give the page a moment to fully render so you can review the course details, ratings, and the price before moving forward. On the course page, you'll see options to purchase. Choose either the Buy Now button to complete a single purchase immediately, or Add to Cart if you want to keep shopping and pay for multiple items at once. Click the option that fits your plan. When the checkout screen appears, you'll be presented with payment choices that vary by location. You may see credit or debit card fields as well as local mobile wallet options. Select the payment method you prefer. If you choose a card, enter the card number, expiration date, CVV security code, and billing address exactly as they appear on your statement. If you opt for a mobile wallet, you'll be prompted to log in to that wallet to authorize the payment. Udemy typically gives you the option to save the payment method for future purchases. Completing the purchase will usually store that payment method so you don't have to re-enter details next time. If you prefer not to save your information, look for an option to opt out or skip the save step before finalizing. Before you finalize, double-check the total amount, any applied discounts or promo codes, and the billing information. Confirm that the payment option selected matches what you intended. When everything looks correct, click. Proceed to complete the transaction. After the purchase is successful, you'll receive a confirmation on screen and an email receipt in your account inbox. A few quick tips. Keep your browser up to date, use a secure Wi-Fi connection when purchasing, and review the refund policy for the course in case you change your mind. And that's it. Once the payment goes through, the method will be available for future purchases and you can start the course right away.